Guys, today we are seeing two low bed packing together as one package. You can see at the bottom we put one low bed at the bottom trailer, and on the top we have a second trailer, landing it right next to the gooseneck. Here is the gooseneck. This is gooseneck. This is the landing gear. So we use a little bit welding to fix it on the loading deck, and then we put the rear ramp, the 2 units rear ramp, totally 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, in the middle between the top low bed and the bottom low bed. And also we use the lashing device to fix it, to fasten it. There is a rubber material to protect it, damaging the steel, such like here. Those kind of nylon tube is not quite dangerous. Those kind of steel rope is kind of dangerous because it might damage the side beam. At the rear, we use the channel steel and those material to protect the tire and also fix it to prevent it moves forward and backward. And here we use the X-shaped lashing to make sure it stay there before it arrives. And this is how it looks from further view. So 1, 2, 3. We have 3 X shape in this side and another 3 at the back side. Here's another one. Okay, here we have another X-shaped fasten nylon belt. There is a hook. Here's the ratchet. This is the ratchet. You can open it and close it, open and close it to make it more strong. Now we are on this side of the trailer. Same, exactly same at the other side. Here we're using the lashing, not using the hook, but using the nylon to hook it up on the roof hook of the semi-trailer itself. So you can also open this and fasten it, open this and fasten it, because they have already done, so I won't do it. Here is the roof ring. This is how we use the ratchet to fasten the steel rope. And here is the hook. We are hooking the other side to here and using the hook like this to put it into the hole. This is the VIN number on the main beam. That's quite important when you are doing the custom clearance. This is how it looks in the front. Okay guys, I think that would be enough for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video today. If you like our channel, please click the subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.